Welcome back. I'm Isabel.
And I'm James.
And we're very excited to share with you our progress on our 12th property case.
Let's go check it out.
Come. Come on in, let me show you the extension. Right through these doors used to be a covered porch, which we demoed, and this used to be the official exterior wall of the house, which will also come down to accommodate a large dining room area and a large kitchen. Right here, we will hang the chandelier right above the dining room, and hopefully we will save these beautiful doors. Come on in. This is the very large kitchen. Right here we'll have the island with 3 pendants like we like it, and look at this, tons of counter space. The plumbing and the electric have been completed, and we already chose a beautiful backsplash. It's a new color. Can you guess what color? It's new, we haven't tried it before. Right through here, it's the master bathroom. Very large master bathroom, 2 sink vanity, and the master bedroom with sliding doors to the backyard. Very big. Right through here, we have the walk-in closet, and I love this because we can still take shortcuts through the walls. Very big walk-in closet. Let's go outside and see the exterior.
Here we are. We built 460 new square feet onto this home. Last season at Khalifa, you saw us pour a slab foundation where the entire home rested on a layer of concrete. Here, we've built a raised foundation which consists of concrete joints and a perimeter wall that the wooden structure of the home rests on and is secured to. Basically, it's a little concrete wall with a wooden platform that the frame gets attached to, and then you nail the walls on. After the concrete comes the wooden floor joists, followed by insulation and plywood. Then, the really exciting part, the walls go up and the roof. That's the most exciting time because you really start to see the home in its shape. Let's go check out the ADU. A lot of progress on the ADU has been made since you last saw us. The garage door has been removed and we've framed and added a very spacious window, as well as cutting an entryway and framing for the door. The kitchen will wrap around this corner, and right up here is the bathroom. As you can see, the plumbing and the electric are all complete, and really soon we're going to be able to start closing off all these walls. But for now, we can still use the garage door into the main home.
Thank you for watching the progress on our 12th property case.
Check us out at stonefarmenterprises.com and on Instagram and Facebook. In the meantime, subscribe so you can see how far we get next episode.